How do public charge bonds impact the public charge rule? Imagine trying to plan your future in the United States and feeling unsure about how certain financial requirements might affect your immigration process. That's where understanding public charge bonds comes into play. The public charge rule is part of U.S. immigration law that looks at whether someone applying for a green card or certain visas might become mostly dependent on government support later on. If officials think a person might relying heavily on government benefits, they can deny the application. This rule mainly applies when someone is trying to enter the U.S. or change their immigration status to become a permanent resident. A public charge bond is a financial guarantee some immigrants might be asked to pay if officials worry about their ability to support themselves. It's a set amount of money, usually paid to the government, that acts as a promise. The idea is that the person will not become a burden on public resources. If the person later needs certain government benefits, the government can use this bond to cover those costs. For Latino households, especially families with members applying for green cards or visas, understanding public charge bonds is very important. These bonds are not common for everyone, but they can come up if an applicant does not have enough income, assets, or a sponsor to meet the financial requirements. Paying a bond can be a big financial burden, so families need to plan carefully and get legal advice if this situation arises. It's also good to know that most government benefits like health care, food programs, or housing assistance do not count against the public charge rule. Only certain cash benefits and long-term government-funded care are considered. This means many Latino families can use these services without worrying about their immigration status. If a public charge bond is required, it's a way for the government to ensure the person will not need certain public benefits. For families, this can mean extra costs and stress, but it does not change which benefits are safe to use. Families should always seek qualified legal help to understand their specific situation and rights. Being informed can help families make smart choices and avoid unnecessary worries about their immigration process.